Good morning. So it's what? 11:30, day 1 in Australia. So, kami sa CBD, going to the city. So, walk is life. So anyway, nag-Uber na lang mi kay dugay pa kami makaabot sa city. So, dali na kami nag-wait. Day 1, pamilya RC, ug ni Kat. Kay mag-see something mi, mag ocean park nila. Makaabot pa mi. But anyway, mo to. Going. So, check out the Volcom. So we're ordering from Thai, it's your way? Thailand Authentic Thai. Of course, ang mga main character na po diri, mga main character. Sa food court nila. Food court. Sa DFO Mall. Sorry, Brad. Mall ni sa Brad. DFO Mall. Outlet store ni. Money. Hoodie.
Store lagi, babe. Kaya di ba naka-stock ang mga shoes?
Ano hoodie yun niya? Another hoodie.
Hindi mo ko nadala, babe. Parang
So, anong corn? Or wala?
doon ka, next ka, tahimik. Or ganun talaga. Tahimik talaga. Spot the difference.
So, kuhaan me.
Parang hindi lang ito.
Ilawa na ito na yung
Ay, isa lang di ito.
lahang. We're eating at Mad Mex.
Ito naman ang tama.
So, let's try their naked burrito bowl.
CFO pala. Hindi lang.
Tsara ta kay Pinoy man ta.
Anong tawag dito? Southward.
Try it.
Gatagan ko.
Try.
Okay. Mabot lang ha, siya. Tatagdagan ba? May paborito na ko.
Ginamix di mo?
Oh. Dala din yung mic card niya. Yan ang problema dito. Nakakain kayo outdoors. Nalagaw yung
Paging seagull.
Tama kasi sa kazo.
Okay, ayun na lang.
Hindi na ka magbaka-baka. Ako tayo na. May ka na o. Pwede mo bayan.
Yung nala diri sa kuan, pharmacy ang anong pahumot. YS.
Literal entrance.
Literal entrance. Literal entrance. Napa oh, Versace Eros 168. Zara.
Dili na, huwag pala kagapon. Di ba, share
Going to Telstra. Getting my number.
which company how much you pay for?
Getting my number in Telstra.
Free or?
Free station. Free station. Okay. Wait lang.
Di siya matamis masyado. Ay, 75 lang ni Agi. Ito, sikat ko masyado na patubo. Plus, wala siyang coins, wala siyang
Ah,
May coins kayo.
wala.
3 poses for me, black and white, last forever.
Kagabi doon sa pharmacy.
It's a sea life.
Oh, your
The pressure.
Lagi magpay na bulupan, dapat yung magpay na walang
No. Lamihan ni pang sugbaho ni. Ooh. Hala, umpan no? Hala. Hala, unsa na siya no? Hara yi guy. Oh, janitor fish ba no? Pinapay, Ray dito babe na ambot o sa Ray oh. Gago, abi na kong sticker. Abi na kong sticker. Nagtambay na siya. Shark eggs. Yeah, shark eggs.
Wash your hands lagi. Bakit pwede? Jump!
Kung saan eh? Wave arms to avoid predator. Plus, si cucumber, oh.
Ganda, makagana sa Jensan.
Hello.
Oh!
Shark eggshells.
This is the Port Jackson shark
Egg.
This is the bamboo shark egg. Right?
The shark eggs are all empty.
Oh,
So there's nothing inside any of the shark eggs. There's nothing inside the shells as well.
Oh, okay.
So the only living thing are the sea stars.
Oh, okay. Only living thing.
This one is the Port Jackson shark.
Yeah, Jackson
Can I
shark
lift
egg.
it?
Yeah, you can pick it up. It's an empty egg. There's nothing inside. It's like an egg shell. If you want, you can open it up to have a look inside. You just untwist that bottom end. You can see like how it's kinda like that.
Ooh.
Oh.
So you sort of grab each end and then
How about the bamboo shark? This one?
yeah, so that one's the bamboo shark. And then the really large ones are the leopard shark. And then these smaller ones are epaulette.
Good.
My nail. Nameless fuzz, the octopus.
Love it.
The only thing alive is the senators. Here we are in the wilderness, looking at a hermit crab
Oh, you're so cute.
resting.
With eyes wide open.
Tana, sugbawon tana.
Ang takoyaki.
Wow! Wala ka ganda.
Nahadlok siya.
Hey, go.
Nahadlok siya.
Siya.
Makasense
siya.
siya. Siya mga masasamang espiritu. Kaya di uli na siya. Hi, friend.
Shark.
Kanang great white, good.
Nag-blueberry, may nalamon sa ano, museum. Please do not touch.
Oh, jellyfish, kid, oh.
Oh, amazing.
Blue blubber jellyfish.
Blue blubber.
Blue blubber daw. Kapuyan niya, sig, ana-ana lang, no?
Yung video ko with the jellyfish. Hanapin ko na yung kayo.
Ah, si Nemo, gila siya.